Welcome to the New Zealand Driving Theory Test. Question 1. What should you do if your helmet is falling apart? A. Repair the helmet with duct tape and superglue. B. Throw it away and buy a new one. C. It's still safe to use if there are no cracks. D. Sell it and buy a new one. The correct answer is B. Question 2. What should you do if you miss your exit on a motorway? A. Reverse back to the last exit by pulling into the hard shoulder. B. Do a U-turn. C. Exit at the next exit. The correct answer is C. Question 3. Crosswinds can occur when A. When it's bad weather out. B. As a large truck approaches you. C. As you leave the protection of a building. The correct answer is C. Question 4. When riding during the day, what should you wear to help yourself be seen? Check all that apply. A. Wear high visibility clothing. B. Ride with your headlights on low beam. C. Avoid other drivers' blind spots by adjusting your riding position. D. Use your horn to warn drivers. The correct answer is A, C, D. Question 5. Can a police officer impound your car on the spot if you're caught driving while disqualified? A. Yes. B. If there is another eligible driver in the vehicle. C. No. They cannot impound your car on the spot. They must get an impound order. The correct answer is A. Question 6. What does this sign mean? A. In the next 4 kilometers you can stop anywhere. B. In the next 4 kilometers. You must not stop anywhere. The correct answer is B. Question 7. In a situation when you are passing parked vehicles, the main dangers include vehicles pulling out without signaling or vehicles making U-turns when you are passing parked vehicles. True or false? A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. Question 8. Would a motorbike fail its warrant of fitness if it only had one indicator working? A. No. It wouldn't fail because the rider can still use hand signals. B. Yes. The correct answer is B. Question 9. Does the driver of the blue car have to give way? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is A. Question 10. When can you park on the right-hand side of the road? A. Only on a one-way street. B. If there are marked bays. C. Anywhere, as long as your hazards are on. D. If you are picking up passengers. E. In the countryside. You can park anywhere there. The correct answer is A. Question 11. A white diamond painted on the road means what? A. There is a sharp turn in the road. B. You are coming up to a school zone. C. You are coming up to a bridge. D. You are coming up to a pedestrian crossing. The correct answer is D. Question 12. What is the legal definition of a road? A. Any street or highway that is sealed or unsealed and has lines painted on them or not. B. Streets, highways, beaches, wharves, car parks, and riverbeds, or any area that the public is reasonably permitted to drive on. C. Highways and streets that have painted lines on them to distinguish lanes. The correct answer is B. Question 13. What does this sign mean? A. Traffic turning right must follow this sign. B. Traffic driving straight through must obey this sign. C. Vehicles are only permitted to turn right here. The correct answer is A. Question 14. What should you be aware of when you purchase a vehicle? Check all that apply. A. Unpaid loans that you will be liable to pay if they are not cleared before the car is transferred in your name. B. A stolen vehicle. C. Suspicious odometer. D. WOF and/or registration has expired. The correct answer is A, B, C, D. Question 15. What must you do if you are in a lane with an arrow showing a left turn only, and you are driving on a road with marked lanes? A. Turn left. B. Go straight ahead or turn left. C. Not signal. The correct answer is A. Question 16. What must you do if an intersection has a stop sign? A. Always. B. Only if there is a vehicle to your left and right. C. Only if there is a red traffic light as well. The correct answer is A. Question 17. A white reflector, cat's eyes, means what when you see it on the road? A. No overtaking. B. Cycle lane. C. White marks the right side of the road. D. White marks the center line. The correct answer is D. Question 18. When must you dip your vehicle's headlights if you are driving at night with your high beams on? Check all that apply. A. You're driving in an area with streetlights. B. When traffic is being directed by a police officer. C. When you are following another car. D. When another car is driving towards you. E. If you stop on the side of the road. The correct answer is B, C, D, E. Question 19. What does this traffic signal mean? A. Stop if you can do so safely. B. Drive faster to get through the junction. The correct answer is A. Question 20. A large piece of wood is right in front of you while driving on a suburban street and there is no other option than to drive her over it. What should you do to keep control? Check all that apply. A. Jump off the bike. B. Rise slightly in your seat. C. Straighten up the bike. D. Loosely hold the grips to absorb any shock. The correct answer is B, C. Question 21. Before any modification is carried out on your vehicle, what should you do? A. As long as you purchase your parts from a reputable dealer, then it is okay to modify your vehicle. B. Check with a warrant of fitness inspector. C. Get a certificate from your lawyer. D. Indicate your changes on your vehicle registration papers. The correct answer is B. Question 22. Which vehicle must give way? A. Red car. B. Blue car. The correct answer is A. Question 23. Of the four hazards marked, which one is most likely to require you to take urgent action if you are the driver of the blue car? A. The parked car. B. The reversing car. C. The car driving towards you. D. The car parked on the other side of the road. The correct answer is B. Question 24. What does this marking mean? A. Electric and hybrid vehicles can be charged here. B. Only buses can park here. C. Cycle lane ahead. D. Fire hydrant. The correct answer is D. Question 25. What does speed limit mean? A. The minimum speed for that road. B. The maximum speed for that road in good conditions. C. The maximum speed for cars only. D. Except for when overtaking another vehicle, it is the maximum speed that you can drive. The correct answer is B. Question 26. A reflectorized triangle on the side of the road means what? A. Approaching is a breakdown or crash. B. There are roadworks approaching on the right. C. There's a concert ahead. D. There's a one-way bridge ahead. The correct answer is A. Question 27. What does this sign mean? A. Cars with 3 or more people can use this lane. B. Bus station. C. From 7 to 9 a.m. and 4 to 6 p.m. weekdays. Only buses can use this lane. D. Only buses permitted in this lane. E. Buses. Cyclists. Motorcyclists and moped riders can use this lane. The correct answer is E. Question 28. What does this sign mean? A. Watch out for cattle. B. Dairy farm ahead. C. Cattle are not permitted in this lane. D. Cattle grid. The correct answer is A. Question 29. When driving past a cyclist, what is the recommended distance you should allow? A. 1 meter. B. 5 meters. C. 2 meters. D. 5 meters. The correct answer is B. Question 30. You must be able to stop in half the length of clear road you can see in front of you when driving at night on a road with lanes. True or false? A. True. B. False. C. Only when driving conditions are poor. The correct answer is B. Question 31. A vehicle should not send out visible smoke for more than A. 12 seconds. B. 10 seconds. C. 8 seconds. D. 5 seconds. The correct answer is B. Question 32. When riding on bitumen after a rain, what is the main danger? A. Glare from the sun. B. Road markings and manhole covers. C. Wet bitumen is very slippery. D. Other vehicles. The correct answer is B. Question 33. What does this sign mean? A. Around this corner the comfortable traveling speed is 35 miles per hour. B. Around this corner a comfortable traveling speed is 35 kilometers per hour. C. The corner has a radius of 35 meters. D. The corner's angle is 35 degrees. The correct answer is B. Question 34. What does this sign mean? A. The right side of a road marker post indicating a left-hand bend. B. The left side of the road. C. The center line of the road. The correct answer is A. Question 35. If an oncoming vehicle seems ready to cross your path, what should you do? A. Speed up and move to the right side of your lane. B. Speed up and move to the left side in your lane. C. Slow down and move to the right-hand side of your lane. D. Slow down and move to the left-hand side in your lane. The correct answer is D.